Jackson, and I'm here speaking on behalf of my mother, Nancy Lord. We had the recent experience to have Donnie and several of you guys come out and help my mom in an emergency situation. We are fortunate enough that my mom, she does live by herself, but all 5 of her children do live in the valley. I am the closest one, but I am still 20 minutes away. So when she recently had an incident where she had dropped a plate and sliced her arm, the phone call that I got first thing in the morning was, my arm is gushing, I can't make the bleeding stop, I don't know what to do, you need to come over and help me. And I said, call 911 right now. No, I'm not calling 911, that's ridiculous. I'm not, why would I do that? Because you're gushing blood everywhere. So anyway, I did, called 911 for her. Took off on my 20-minute jaunt to get her, got pulled over on the way. Did not get a ticket. Thank you, Gilbert Police Department, for understanding my crisis and craziness. But I was shocked to learn that this program existed. And I have 8 children of my own. 6 are adopted through foster care and adoption, so we do live a pretty busy life. And it was great to have somebody come into her home where she was comfortable. We didn't have to take her into a hospital setting where the risk of her catching something, on top of getting stitches, but also maybe catching an illness while she's there, was a huge relief. I was just so shocked that the day turned into be very short-lived, and I was able to go home and continue on with things. To piggyback onto that, I had no idea you guys were cooperating with CPR, and having 6 kids that are that we adopted through foster care, 2 of them have some pretty severe mental health issues, and one of my daughters has been hospitalized 10 times in psychiatric facilities. I have personally spent days and days and days in the emergency room waiting for a vent to open up for her. So that, I did not know that was happening until just now when the speaker stopped. So as a parent's perspective, that is going to save us. You just have no idea, because sleeping in a chair in an emergency room for 4 nights with a child who's had in a psychotic break, it's a lot. And so these community programs, they're making a difference to people. And for all of your service that you guys do every day, I know you probably don't hear it enough, but it is appreciated, and we are grateful for you. Several times I've had to call out 911 to my daughter when she's been in a psychotic episode. So knowing these, hopefully Gilbert will jump on, and I may be writing emails to our mayor and council after this. Lucky for them. But what a wonderful program. Or we're moving to Mesa, moving in with my mom one of these days. But thank you so much for all you do, and a special thanks to the